In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the RedNote app on your iPhone. And it's super easy to get started. Let's jump in. First, grab your iPhone and open the App Store. You'll find the App Store icon right on your home screen. Tap on it to get started. Once you're in, tap the search bar and type in RedNote. That's RedNote. After typing it in, hit the search button. You should see the RedNote app in the search results. It will have the RedNote logo, so it's easy to spot. Tap on the app to open its page in the App Store. Here, you can check out more details about the app, read reviews, and see what it's all about. Once you're ready, tap the download button. It's the cloud icon with a down arrow. The app will start downloading immediately. When the download is complete, the app will automatically install on your iPhone. You'll see the Open button appear next to the app. Tap it, and you're ready to launch RedNote. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to choose at least 4 topics you're interested in. These could be music genres, moods, or themes that match your style. Pick your favorites to customize your experience. Next, the app will prompt you to log in. By default, it will ask you to log in using your phone number. However, if you prefer a different method, look below the phone number option. Choose the one that works best for you and follow the instructions to complete your login. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and set up the RedNote app on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using RedNote. See you next time.